Ladies and gentlemen, Mario Goldos, your bald guy with the bow tie from the Triton Group at Legacy Mutual Mortgage, bringing you your tip of the week. Wearing my Warrior Overwatch hat in support of my good friend Brandon. Made a video yesterday. Please check out his mission and what he's doing and support his cause. So this week we are going to be talking about solutions for potential home buyers who have some credit hiccups. So we are actively going backwards right now, calling our past clients because we have a credit resource which is able to help buyers increase their scores by taking action. So again, just to give you the insight, if you are in a position right now where you have under a 600 credit score, this is the time to give us a call so we can connect you with our credit resource here. So again, don't hesitate. This is a great time to do this. Get that score increased. Ultimately helping you not only qualify, but save money on interest rates. So even if you have, like, for example, a 650 credit score, let's get that to a 750 credit score, so that way you can qualify for better programs, lower interest rates, lower down payments. Again, it's just the opportunities are abundant when you have excellent credit. This credit resource is going to do a great job for you. Also, we want to invite you to our Get Canva Creative class. This is going to be a great class taught by marketing expert Jenny Nagelmuller, who is an expert on how to get Canva Creative. So super excited about this class. It's actually on Tuesday from 11:30 to 12:30. That is Tuesday, June 7th, just to clarify. Again, 11:30 to 12:30. Free lunch. Always love free lunch. And so this is a great opportunity, again, to hone in and really refine that skill to help you get your Canva on. And so if you have any questions, as always, give us a call, 210-476-5523. You can visit us online at TritonGroupHomeLoans.com or send us an email to TritonGroup@LegacyMutual.com. Have an amazing weekend. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.